Get in, loser, we're going shopping. Just kidding, I already went shopping. I spend a lot of time in the car. Like a ridiculous amount of my time is spent in the car. And I've had this car for almost a year now, so it's been a while. But I thought, why not try to make it a little more comfy, a little more cozy, and just more pleasant to be in so often. Rush hour traffic right outside of DC might be the spawn of Satan himself, but at least my car is cute. I ordered some stuff on Amazon, so let me show you guys what I got. By the way, I drive a 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. I have the R-Line trim package thing. This is the first thing I got. It's so soft and fluffy. I thought it would make my car so cozy. And it really does. I'm just gonna leave it in the back seat though. Honestly, no one's ever back there. The next thing I got was this little registration and insurance folder. And I thought that it would just be good because if, God forbid, I get pulled over or something, I at least wouldn't have to dig through my glove box to try and find my registration. Like, it's just in here. I feel like such a car guy. Next, I got these bag hooks. Look how cute they are. If I like make a friend or something and they have a purse and they want to hang it up somewhere, they can use this. I got this cosmetic case thing. Amazon has a bunch of these, but I'm super particular. I hate gold hardware. I think it looks so cheap and so tacky on little things like this, so I searched until I found one with silver. I think the silver matches my car better anyway. And that also came with this little case. I think this is for glasses. I already have a little compartment built into my car that's meant for sunglasses, so I don't really need this for that purpose. So right now I just have my ear monitors in here, but I only need them on stage, so I keep them in my car. Next I got this. It's a tray for my center console. I'll show you guys. Wow, ignore my mess over there. This is my center console. As you can see, it's kind of small. It's like smaller than my hand, but it's deep. So like I have to reach all the way down there into the depths of hell. But with a tray, I can leave stuff on top and then I still have room to fit stuff in the bottom. This is car cleaning gel. It's like the slime stuff that you use to get all the dust out of the vents and little crumbs from the cracks. Essential. This is like a little spray cleaner. Like you spray it and then you use this part to clean off the touch screen. That's what it looks like on the inside. This is a lint roller. This is fun to play with. I wasn't sure if I really wanted to keep a first aid kit on me because I'm not a bitch. I'm just kidding. I ordered mints. Most air fresheners that are made for the car give me headaches. Like they all smell so fucking bad. Why as a society have we not come up with better scents for car air fresheners? And they're so strong for no reason. But I love Bath & Body Works. I love their air fresheners. So I was like, let me just try one of the car ones. And so far, this is good. I have lavender vanilla in here now. Also from Bath & Body Works, I got hand sanitizer. I got the warm vanilla sugar and cozy vanilla almond. I love the Touchland spray hand sanitizers, but I'm gonna be so real. I feel like they don't clean your hands. And after the gas station, after I touch a gas pump, I need my hands to be clean. So I prefer these ones for the car. Oh, I also have like a couple other random little essentials from my house. Mini Tylenol, Kopari lip gloss, a massive amount of hair ties, a Tide to Go pen, hand sanitizing wipes. And then I wanted to keep lotion and perfume in here. I'm trying not to over consume in 2025. So instead of buying minis, I am just gonna use what I had already. So this is my Necessaire body lotion. This has been sitting on my bathroom counter for months. It's not a cheap lotion. And I feel like that's why I never reached for it, because I was like, no, I want to save it. Like, let me just not use it. But if it's in the car and it's all I have, it's gonna get used. So I'm gonna keep it in here. This is Victoria's Secret Warm Vanilla Body Spray. It smells like cinnamon rolls. Okay, so let's put my car together. Yay! There's nothing I want more than a fuzzy steering wheel cover, but my wheel isn't a perfect circle. This part is flat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me organize my car. Let me know in the comments if I forgot anything or if there's anything else you think I should get. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want. I post videos every single week. Also follow me on Instagram at Brittany Lee Campbell so you can keep up with me better. I will leave everything I got on Amazon in the description for you guys so you can check it out. Bye.